what do you suppose is the ancient corollary of what the website is today? What has it replaced that people used to use instead?
Yeah, well, I think one trend that I'm definitely seeing is people usually, uh, whenever I go to conferences these days, they don't bring business cards as much as they used to. I think that's number one. There's so many different other ways to connect and stay connected. Like people will join each other on Facebook, they'll join each other on LinkedIn, or they have a personal brand website where they'll say, hey, come to anthonytran.com or something, and you can connect with me there. So it's definitely a trend that I'm seeing that websites have replaced. The other thing I would say is like brochures, things like people don't say here, hand out brochures. They just say, hey, check out such and such.com. You can find out more information. I think it's a lot more effective these days. It's a way that they can create interactive media information. So they can have videos, they can have podcasts, they could have screenshots, a lot of different ways to, I guess, sell or present their services.